Waukee has been recognized as one of the fastest growing cities in the state of Iowa, actually growing by 75% over the last 10 years. So we were looking for an opportunity to create this hub, if you will, for commercial growth, for job growth. One of the needs for the city was to really create a new entrance into Waukee from Interstate 80.
We wanted to make sure that this was a home run out of the park. And quite frankly, you have to do that on the first swing. Foth overall had the collective team that we needed to complete this roadway project from concept to completion.
Foth's overall goal for Waukee was to provide a solution that would help them now and also be able to grow into this corridor in the future. So as we started the traffic modeling, we just realized that the sheer number of trips that were going to be generated along this corridor were going to exceed the 3-lane road that they had originally planned. Needing to expand a project before it begins is not necessarily a conversation you want to have with your client.
It was identified fairly early on in that traffic modeling or effort that really helped us identify that we needed to up our scope.
We're a very data-driven organization, and we really rely and depend upon that data to make decisions.
The traffic modeling showed that they needed a bigger section. However, we also had the 3-lane solution, and ultimately it was up to them to decide which route that they wanted to take and which investment they wanted to make.
Looking at that data and those projections, it really became quite an easy decision.
Ultimately, the City of Waukee chose to go ahead and do 4 lanes of the 6-lane section that we were developing out there because they wanted that initial investment to last as long as it could. I live in this area, so it's really great to see how this corridor has helped the community grow and thrive and how much it's already happening.
It's like the moment where the City of Waukee grew up. And really, this corridor put us on the map, provided that entrance into our community, and it really just allowed for other things to blossom and grow from the expansion of this roadway network.
Taking that step and planning for the future is one of the most proud things that I experienced from this roadway project.